Hello everyone, Mujebale. We all know this year hasn't been a great one, but as it comes to an end, we prepare for the holidays, we travel and celebrate family. But I want to remind you to stay safe during this festive season. We all understand that this season is all about giving. So Jessa is doing a 12 days of Christmas giveaway from the 14th of December to the 25th of December, which is Christmas. And you, my amazing fans, stand a chance to receive amazing Christmas gifts from Jessa. And not forgetting, I'm delivering the gifts myself. To stand a chance to win, this is what you have to do. Comment below and tell us why Christmas is special to you. Follow at Jessa Diary on Instagram. Follow at Jessa Diary on Twitter. Like Jessa Fam Diary on Facebook. Easy. So hurry and be part of the Jessa 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. On behalf of Jessa and myself, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.